Welcome to Reach for Healing. I'm Rebecca, and I'm stopping by tonight to kick off a series dedicated to the teachings of Emmett Fox. Emmett Fox was a divine science minister, as well as an author and a very popular speaker in the 20th century. He is one of the stalwarts, heavyweights, rock stars, whatever you want to call him, of metaphysics in the early to mid 20th century. He passed away in 1951, but much of his writing and a few of his smaller tools remain relevant and popular today. In this mini series, I'm going to be focusing on one of those tools. He called it the Golden Key. And it was a small pamphlet that he wrote actually in 1931 and gave to Unity's founder, Charles Fillmore. It was about a process that Dr. Fox claimed could be used to solve any problem at any time, no matter how big or small. The process of the Golden Key was simple. As he described it, you stop thinking about your problem and you turn your attention to thinking only about the infinite, about God, about Great Spirit, however you refer to that divine creative source that we all emanate from. So Dr. Fox taught that golden keying a situation or golden keying someone was as simple as shifting our attention. Now, even though he's been gone since 1951, this is not an old topic that's relegated to the last century. If you saw the movie The Secret, no doubt you saw Michael Bernard Beckwith tell us that energy flows where our attention goes. That's the same concept. It's one of those timeless spiritual constructs that if we can really understand and download and live from, our lives will improve. I wanted to stop by and kick this off on a Sunday night because in the United States, especially, Sundays can be really stressful for people. Many of us feel the stress of Monday morning looming large as it represents the start of the work week. Some of us are perhaps feeling guilty that we're stressed about work when so many others don't have work. Whatever the reason, whatever it is, we know there's a lot of stress on Sunday afternoons and evenings related to our start of the work week. And so tonight's tip on using the golden key to make our lives better is going to focus on work. Whatever it is about work that's bothering you, let's shift our attention away from that and think about all of the divine aspects that are surrounding and are foundational to that job. No matter what's wrong with it, we're going to take our attention off what's wrong and we're going to focus on what's right about your job. Jobs bring us income, paychecks. Very often there are benefits. Think about each and every benefit that you get. Think about the people that you work with that are good. There are people that are good to you there. Sometimes they're outnumbered by the people that aren't, but there's at least one good person in the place that you work, I promise. Think about the other benefits that you reap. Maybe you're learning a new skill that you'll be able to take elsewhere eventually. You're certainly building your resume by being at this position, and you are contributing at some level to some organization that is giving back to the world in some way, even if it is in a commercial way and they're selling their goods to the market. There are many, many things that each of us can be grateful for concerning our jobs. I've had a lot of jobs and I've had some that are wonderful that when I think about them, I still smile and miss the people. And I've had others that, boy, was I glad to get out of there. But in each and every one of those, I promise you, there were good things as well as bad things. So, really, turning the golden key about our jobs or our careers is all about shifting our focus from what is not working to the many, many blessings and benefits that are inherent in any job, no matter what it is. That's our first installment on the Golden Key Minute. I hope you'll stop back for our next one that's coming soon. Bye for now.